Big home with lots of elbow room, perfect for home buyers or investors. Crafted and built by renowned builders Boa Homes, this home is yet another beautiful example of their quality and innovation. With 4 oversized bedrooms, open-plan living area and a media room, there's plenty of room to grow the family in this home, making this the perfect cornerstone to grow your family and create your memories. Showcasing big 230 metre square home with 3 king-size bedrooms and plenty of wardrobe space. Additional office could be a 4th bedroom. Ensuite with spa, bath and walk-in robe in the main. Big main bathroom with separate shower and bath. Media or rumpus room. Trendy kitchen with gas cooktop, island bench and granite bench tops. Open plan living areas open up onto the play area, veranda, pool or yard. Loads of cupboard space including manhole with ladder providing additional ceiling storage. Full AC including central cassette system in the lounge and split systems in the bedrooms. Lots of windows, ceiling fans and cool tiles throughout. Internal laundry with direct access to the clothesline. And outside, breeze-catching veranda, fully fenced kid-safe pool. Double lock-up garage with additional roller door leading to a 3x3 metre garden shed. Slide gates allows for secure off-street parking for caravan, trailer or boat. Fully fenced 815 metre square corner block with no easements. Built 2 years ago in the popular suburb of Bellamac, within easy reach of the Palmerston CBD, public and private schools and bush walkways.